guys, it's Jade Flores of Longhorn Investments. Today we're going to talk about the difference between loan to value and loan to cost and what that means for you as a borrower and as an investor. So let's start with loan to value. When a lender talks about loan to value, they're talking about the amount that they're going to lend based upon the value of the home. Now, in the hard money lending world and in the investment world, that's based upon the after repair value. So loan to value is based upon a percentage of the after repair value. Now let's talk about loan to cost. When a hard money lender talks about loan to cost, it's the amount that they're going to lend you based upon the amount that you need for that particular deal, purchase price and renovation costs included. So loan to value is based upon the amount that they're lending off of the after repair value. Loan to cost is the amount that they're lending based upon the amount of money that you need for purchase and renovation. So let's put this into play with some actual numbers. Let's utilize $250,000 as an easy example. So if your after repair value is $250,000, a normal hard money lender will lend probably about 70% of that. So that is your loan to value of 70%, which would give you a loan amount of $175,000. So let's talk about how the loan to value and loan to cost ultimately affects your out-of-pocket costs as an investor. In this particular instance, we at Longhorn do 100% of loan to cost at 70% loan to value. So if your purchase price is $150,000, your renovation cost is $25,000, and your after repair value is $250,000, that is 70% of the after repair value, 70% loan to value, and we would be lending 100% loan to cost. So we would be funding 100% of purchase and 100% of renovation cost. So your total out-of-pocket cost on this deal, all costs included for your title policy, your appraisal, your survey, your builder's risk policy, would be $7,000 out the door. Now let's utilize another lender for this example and see what your out-of-pocket cost would be. This lender does 70% loan to value, which is very similar to us. However, they only do 90% loan to cost. So in this case, in this example, they would be lending the borrower $157,500, which would be an $18,000 down payment right out the door. After adding in all of the other fees that go into a transaction, the total out-of-pocket cost for that borrower would be $21,462. So we were able to save them a third of the cost by lending 100% loan to cost for this particular deal. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Jade Flores Real Estate and on Facebook at Jade Flores Longhorn Investments. We'll see you guys soon.